And I want to reach a point in my life where I say, I've done enough. I'm not going to give anymore. To me, it's not about winning. It's the battle itself. It's the struggle. It's the daily test. That's what life's about. I want to struggle. I want to grind and claw and scratch, and I want to dig in, and I want to push. And I don't want it to end, because that makes me tougher. That makes me harder. I don't want to coast. And I want to reach a point in my life where I say, I've done enough. I'm not going to give anymore. No. That relentless cycle of day-to-day challenges, they aren't maddening to me. They don't frustrate me. They inspire me. Inspire me to drive and push more and to push harder. So I say, dig in and get to pushing.